This beef chilli is a classic Slimming World favourite and it's completely free. Cook 500 grams of lean beef mince, that's 5% fat or less, over a high heat for 1 to 2 minutes until browned, and then remove it from the heat. Next, cook red onion and peppers for 5 to 6 minutes. Stir in 3 crushed garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, and half a teaspoon of chipotle chili flakes or hot smoked paprika. Feel free to add more if you like a little more heat. Add a small splash of water and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes to release the flavours. Now return the cooked mince to the pan, add a tin of black beans, 2 tins of chopped tomatoes, a can of water and season. Then simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally until the sauce has reduced and thickened. And that's it, a hearty, warming beef chilli that's packed with flavour, filling and completely slimming friendly.